First, take out of all items from the package. There are monitor, camera, power cord, cigarette adapter, video cable, windshield mount, extension cord, straps and T-taps. Follow my operation. Pick up the monitor. Align the bracket with the hole on the back of the monitor and snap it in. Tear off the protective film on the bottom of the bracket. You can mount the bracket on the dashboard and pull the buckle off. After adjusting the angle, tighten the screw. Disconnect the green connector on the cigarette lighter adapter. Connect the DC port of the cigarette lighter adapter to the red connector on the monitor extension cable. Follow my operation. Connect the cigarette lighter adapter to the power outlet. Press the red button lights up. Pick up the video cable. There are 4-pin connector. Connect one end of the video cable to the monitor's 4-pin connector. Pick up the camera. Connect one end of the video cable to the extension cable of the camera. The image appear on the screen. Take out the strap. One strap is attached to the bracket that holds the camera horizontally, and the other is held vertically to the camera. Strap soft side facing up. Pass the strap through the hole of the camera bracket. Put the plush side up. Pick up another strap. Pass the strap through the hole on the back of the camera. Follow my operation. Place the camera in the right place on the seat. Thread a strap through the bottom of the cushion. Wrap the straps around the seat and glue them together. Follow my operation. Wrap the straps around the seat and glue them together. The camera angle can be adjusted flexibly. You can also adjust the camera by adjusting the position of the strap. Now the monitor shows the rear seats. You can also mount the monitor on the windshield. Pull up on the snap and pull up on the rubber on the bracket to remove the monitor. You can flexibly adjust the angle of the bracket. Put the bracket on the appropriate position of the windshield and pull down the buckle. The angle of the monitor can be adjusted flexibly. Tighten the screw to fix the monitor angle. Follow my operation.
Now introduce the thin green wire on the camera extension cord.
After cut the green wire, the monitor will switch from mirror image to normal image mode.
When you install it on the rear seat, you need to cut the green thin wire.
Use a tool to cut the thin green wire.
The monitor automatically switches to the normal mode.
Now introduce the function of the monitor. Press the M key to enter the menu mode. Press the up or down keys to adjust the brightness. Press the M key to switch to the contrast. Press the up or down keys to adjust the contrast. Press the M key to switch to the color.
Press the up or down keys to adjust the color. Press the M key to switch to the hue.
Press the up or down keys to adjust the hue.
Press the M key to switch to the zoom. Press the up or down keys to adjust the screen size ratio. Please ignore. Press the M key to switch to the guideline. Press the up or down keys to turn on the guideline. Presses the M key to quit the menu mode.
The guideline appear on the screen. You can use the camera as a reversing.
Presses the M key to switch to the guideline.
Press the up or down keys to turn off the guideline. Presses the M key to quit the menu mode.
The guideline not appear on the screen.
Presses the M key to switch to the Espanol. Press the up or down keys to select the language you want.
Presses the M key to quit the menu mode. The process of connecting the system to the fuse box wire, ACC wire, radio wire, ignition switch wire.
T-taps. T-taps has 2 holes and 1 hole is closed. The long line is the line of the lamp or the circuit line on the car. Thrust the car light line into the first hole. Camera power cord. Plug the power cord into the second hole. Iron sheets. Clamp the iron sheet to the tap's bottom.